Welcome back, student. First of all, sorry that in last 2 days I didn't upload any of lecture because my health is not well, so I can't upload it. But now I'm fine, so here I am now discuss further in the topic. So in the last lecture, what last we discuss about symmetric matrices, antisymmetric matrices. Basically, we just complete all type of matrices: symmetric, antisymmetric, unitary, orthogonal. We all studies their conditions, and we also do some IIT JAM's previous year questions. But in this video, in this lecture, we'll do the most important topic. We'll cover the most important topic, which is eigenvalues and eigenvector. It is very important in perspective of IIT JAM, also in perspective of matrix on globe, or ultimately it is very important in perspective of physics too. So it is also very important topic in physics. आपको दिख रहा होगा सब कुछ यहाँ पे. So before jump into the eigenvalues and eigenvector problem, first I will discuss a little term, simple term about matrices. It is trace of a matrix. So what is trace of a matrix? Trace of a matrix. So trace is nothing else, just the sum of diagonal element. Okay, in a matrix the sum of all diagonal elements is trace. The sum of all the diagonal elements. This is trace. So if this is my matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is simply my matrix. So what is the trace of this matrix? Sum of these three elements. The elements of principal diagonal. 9 plus 5 plus 1. This is basically 15. 10, 15. So 15 is the trace of this matrix. Okay, this is simple, and there are two simple properties of trace. Properties of trace. So properties of trace are first, addition and subtraction. Trace of addition or subtraction of two matrices is equal to their individual addition and individual subtraction. This is the basic property. We all know that in addition there is an addition of individual element. So this is our first property. Second is about multiplication. This is about addition. Second one is about multiplication. So trace of A, B, C D. A, B, C D is multiplication of 4 vector. In earlier discussion, before that, what we do in transpose. If we have to found the transpose of this, we just flip the order. How we flip? D transpose, C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. We just flip the order. Similar in dagger case and similar in inverse case. So all their three cases are similar. So, but in case of trace, we do a rotation. Pick any of this element and do its rotation. Let's suppose I pick D. So what kind of rotation I am telling that D becoming forward, DB, C. Here what is happen? D is taking rotation again. This is at the 4th position. Now it become at first position. Then it goes to the 2nd position. Then it goes to the 3rd position. Or ultimately its final position. Okay, so pick any of, if you see C, there is also a rotation of C. From 3rd it is going to 4th, then 4th, then first, then second, then third again. So this is basically the rotation. It is very important properties of trace. There is also a question in TFR came after whole discussion, after the whole matrix thing. I'll practice you some questions which is come in the previous year of IIT JAM, JEST and TFR, where we see. So keep all these concepts in your mind. Now this is all about trace. It is just a sum of diagonal elements. These are two simple properties of trace. Now, what is our main concern of today's lecture is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. These are very important. You have to understand in detail because they have a great physical significance. So to show you the physical significance of eigenvector, to give a interpretation of eigenvalues and eigenvector, first I am going to let's forget about matrix. भूल जाओ मैट्रिक्स को. सिंपल एक चीज, डेरिवेटिव्स पढ़े आपने? Have you studied derivative? Yes, of course you have. अगर आप BSc के लेवल तक आ चुके तो पढ़ ही चुका होगा. So suppose there is a function, suppose x square, simple quadratic function, and there is an operator dy dx. What is this operator? This is derivative. So basically I want to do derivative of x square. So what result I get? Dy dx x square. You all know that. Okay. So what happened? My function after derivative, after operation is derivative, my function is changes from x square to 2x. Okay. But if this function is e की power x, don't go in the physical significance of derivative, just consider it is an operator. Derivative is just an operator. So e x, again we operate derivative on e की power x. What will we get? E की power x. So my state is unchanged, my function is unchanged. Then in sense of eigenvalues and eigenvector, basically this is not eigenvalues and eigenvectors actually, but in sense of eigenvalues and eigenvector, I can say that this e की power x is eigenstate. Whose eigenstate is it is an eigenstate of derivative operator, this dy dx operator. आप सोच रहे होंगे क्या आ गया dy dx, सिंपल चीज थी, क्या eigenvalue. So simply this ex is my eigenstate. Eigenstate is the state in any linear transformation. If in any linear transformation a state is conserved, it is conserved. Mark my word, it didn't changing, just multiplying by a scalar. So that quantity, that state is called eigenvector or eigenstate. Okay, or that scalar quantities from which the eigenstate multiply. Here I can say that this. So this scalar quantity, I say this is eigenvalue. So this is very layman example. This is not actually correct. This is very correct, but I just want to give you the interpretation of eigenvalues and eigenvector. So you and now you also learn about vectors. In this course I also teach you vectors. So you also learn about vectors. So you also can understand, let's suppose there is a vector A. Vector is also can be a state. So my vector is 5i. Okay. And after some operation, I applied any operation on this vector. Suppose there is any operation of this vector. So this is any operation. This is symbol of my operation. Whatever it is, I'm not going in the detail. So this is an operation, and after doing this operation, after doing this operation, this state becomes 25i. You just see it is multiplied by, let's suppose this 5a, it is 5a and this becomes 25a, or simply 5 and it becomes 25i. Okay, 25, it is not just from multiplication of I, it is due to some operation. Okay, so what I can say, my eigenvalue is 5 and the state is conserved. This vector, and now you can't take it as an example of eigenvalues. I'm just giving you an interpretation. So this can be considered as an example of eigenstate and eigenvectors. Now coming to our main topic, eigenvalues and eigenvectors in sense of matrices. जो दो एग्जाम्पल थे, एक डेरिवेटिव का एग्जाम्पल था, एक वेक्टर का एग्जाम्पल था. बेसिकली वेक्टर के एग्जाम में बस 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा था, तो मैं उसे एग्जैक्टली कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं बोलूँगा, उससे मैं कंसिडर नहीं करूँगा अभी इस एग्जाम्पल में. पर हम आते हैं अब मेन जो हमारा कौन सा है जो बड़े स्केल पे है, कोई लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज, व्हाट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बेसिकली? सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज जस्ट गोइंग फ्रॉम वन फ्रेम या वन, what is basically the transformation is going from one frame, one set of quantities, yeah, I can say one space to another space. In classical transformation or Galilean transformation, what we are transforming from one reference frame to another reference frame, say S and S dash. So this is my transformation, this is linear transformation. Again, if you think about Fourier transformation, so Fourier transformation changes the space. Laplace, these all are kind of transformation. If you don't study them yet, so I'll continue them in my course, in mathematical physics course. So basically transformation is going from one state to another state, one set of system to another set of system. So let's suppose a simple transformation, and from the transformation can be held by the operator. So consider a linear transformation. Consider a linear transformation. So what is, there is a state X, and after a matrix of A, after operator, the state becomes X. This is a transformation. So transformation from X to X, just a quantity lambda multiplied to this state. If I simplify this, Ax minus lambda x equal to 0, A minus ka lambda x. As I tell you, this lambda is just a scalar, so I have to use their identity matrix. So if my state, if this x doesn't equal to null, it is not null set, then null, this is not a null matrix, then the determinant of this thing is 0. Determinant of this A minus lambda is 0. Okay, तो basically what is happening, एक स्टेट है मेरे पास x स्टेट, उस पर कोई एक मैट्रिक्स ऑपरेट करवाई है. अभी यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसा है, बट एक ये मैट्रिक्स किसी क्वांटिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करती है, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स. बट हेयर जस्ट कंसीडर अ लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, किसी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को कंसीडर करती है. तो ये मेरा A है, ये यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन कराया है. ऐसी एक सेट ऑफ इक्वेशन है मेरे पास, मेरी स्टेट कंजर्व रही, मेरा x कंजर्व रहा, यहाँ भी x है, वहाँ भी x है, बस एक स्केलर से क्या हो चुका है, मल्टीप्लाई हो चुका है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड, so this is what my, this is the eigenvalue equation, and also you can say this is a characteristics equation. Characteristics equation, ये क्या है मेरी characteristics equation. So हमको अब जो भी करना है, all we have to deal with this equation. We take a matrix, mainly that matrix is given in a question. A matrix A is given and we have to find its eigenvalues. So this lambda is set of eigenvalues. This is set of eigenvalues, and number of eigenvalues depend on order. if my A matrix has order n, A का order कितना है n, then number of eigenvalues is also n. This is basically about eigenvalue A matrix. So let me do this. Let me take an example, then we'll discuss it. What my condition is, A minus lambda I का determinant is equal to 0. The determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So let's suppose my matrix is A 2 4 0 4 3 0 0 1. This is my matrix. I'm taking a simple matrix. Okay. So what I have to do, A minus lambda I, A minus lambda I is equal to 1. Here also, if I do a lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda and this, so this becomes 1 minus lambda 2 4 0 4 minus lambda 3 0 0 1 minus lambda. This is basically what I want, and I have to found it. I have to take its determinant equal to 0. You all know how to find determinant. It is in previous videos, and you also know it from your 12th classes. So let's suppose taking determinant from this row, this column. So 1 minus lambda, 4 minus lambda, and 1 minus lambda. Let's suppose simple taking from this, and this is 1 minus lambda, 4 minus lambda. What I am taking from this column. I am taking determinants from this column. So first element, second, it is 0. So the terms corresponding to these two elements becomes 0 because these are 0. So this is my final equation. Okay, and here I can found that my lambda is equal to 1, 4 and 1. Simple. It is very simple example, and I will tell you why this is very simple. When I am studying you, when I am discussing the properties of eigenvalues, then you will see why this is very simple. So this is my eigenvalues of this matrix 1 4 1. It is very simple. So you can try for a different matrix, a difficult one matrix. Let's suppose I have to find the eigenvalue of 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 0 1. That is like this is my matrix. So again, A minus lambda I का determinant, this quantity should be 1 minus lambda 2 3 4 5 minus lambda 6 8 0 1 minus lambda equal to 0. So this is what I have to find, and then there is an equation. This equation is this equation has order 3 because lambda has 3 values. So my order is 3. So number of eigenvalues must equal to 3. So this equation, after solving this, you get a polynomial equation of order 3. I am just taking this is it. After simplifying this, after forming an equation, what you will get, ये मैं करूँ या आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इसको? This is just algebra. This becomes 5 minus 5 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square minus 2 4 minus 4 lambda minus 48 plus 3 minus 8 5 is 40 and plus 8 lambda is equal to 0. Again simplify this. This is just a mathematical task. तुम ये कर सकते हो घरों पे, पर मुझे पता है तुम नहीं करोगे. This becomes 6 lambda डायरेक्टली लिख दो। ओके, 5 माइनस 6 लैम्डा प्लस लैम्डा स्क्वायर माइनस 5 लैम्डा प्लस 6 लैम्डा स्क्वायर एंड माइनस लैम्डा क्यूब। अब बोलो सर ये तो क्या हो रहा है, तो ऐसा तो कुछ था ही नहीं, इतना तो कैसे करेंगे, गलती हो जाएगी। पर देखो गलती तो होगी, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अलॉट। तो ये करने के लिए बहुत प्रैक्टिस, कैसी भी मैट्रिक्स आ सकती है, ऐसा जरूरी तो ना आपको सिंपल मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी, वहाँ पे कैसी भी मैट्रिक्स ऐसे आ सकती है। सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अलॉट। अब मैं यहाँ पे हर क्वेश्चन को दे दूंगा तो कंप्लीट नहीं करूंगा, आपके लिए इक्वेशन बना दूंगा, आपको मेथड बता दूंगा, सॉल्व आपको करना, आपकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होगी। यहाँ से आप देखो लैम्डा स्क्वायर वाले टर्म से एक साथ लिख लो आप। लैम्डा स्क्वायर यहाँ पे है, एक लैम्डा स्क्वायर ये है, ये आ गया मेरे पास 7 लैम्डा स्क्वायर। ठीक है, अब लैम्डा वाली टर्म एक ये आएगी, लैम्डा वाली टर्म ये आएगी 11 लैम्डा, और एक यहाँ से आएगी, ये हो जाएगा प्लस का 8 लैम्डा, तो 3 लैम्डा बच गया। और एक यहाँ से आ गया ये 24, 3 माइनस का 3 बचा था 24, तो ये आ गया माइनस का प्लस का 21। और बाकी जो कांस्टेंट आएंगे 5 हो गया यहाँ पर, यहाँ पे 88 हो जाएगा, 88 एंड 5 93 एंड 93 एंड माइनस 4 3 12 120, so 93 minus 120 27। दिस इज माय पॉलिनोमियल इक्वेशन। इसको और ज़्यादा थोड़ा माइनस कॉमन ले रहा हूँ मैं, माइनस कॉमन लेना समझते हैं, आप ऐसे अपनी उसमें बोल लीजिए जो भी समझते हैं कि माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करा लो। अब जो जैसे आप ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे आपकी आइगन वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी, 3 आइगन वैल्यूज, 3 इसके सॉल्यूशन। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आइगन वैल्यूज। सिंपल ट्रिक्स होती हैं ये निकालने की नहीं, पर ये जो ये पॉलिनोमियल इक्वेशन थी इसको फॉर्म करने की कुछ सिंपल ट्रिक्स होती है। 2 सिंपल ट्रिक्स 2x2 के लिए, अगर ऑर्डर 2x2 का है, if the order of matrix is 2x2, then what is the simple trick? Lambda square, you know it should be quadratic cube, there are 2 solutions, and minus trace of A plus determinant A equal to 0. This is the matrix for 2x2. This is a polynomial equation. After solving this polynomial equation, you will get the values of eigenvalues. Let's suppose take example 1 0 4 1 0 4. This is so what should be the polynomial equation for that? Trace of this equation is 4 plus 1 5 lambda. Here is also a lambda 5 lambda. What is determinant? 4 minus 8 minus 3. 4 minus 8, sorry, minus 4. So this is my polynomial equation. If you solve this equation, you will get what? The values of eigenvalues. This equation has 2 solutions. Again, for 3x3 matrix, these are short tricks. If you don't want to do that mathematical calculation, if you know you will do something wrong in those calculations, so you go for these simple trick. For 3x3 matrix, again lambda 3, so you have to change sign alternatively, plus minus plus. So first this, then trace of A and lambda square, and also reduce the power. Okay, now and then plus, and now lambda here minor of A11 plus A22 plus A33, and last determinant. So this is polynomial equation. Lambda cube understood, trace of A ये भी understood है, determinant में understood है. So what is this? Minor A11 A22 A33 is this A11 A22. This is diagonal element of any matrix. Okay. Okay, and we have to find their minors. We have to find minors of A11, then A22, then A33, and then add them, and take the power lambda equal to 0. Let's suppose, let me put in the values, some values, A23, 5, 6, 7, 0 to 5. Okay, so what is the minor of 1? How to find minor? In earlier videos I'll tell you how to find minor. There is some mistake in those videos, I didn't notice them that time, but here I am telling you what is minor. So for minor of this element, I have to neglect this row, this column, and take, so what remains, this, take determinant of this, 2 by 2 matrix determinant, 6 5 is 30, 7 2 is 14, 16. So minor of 1 means A11 in this matrix is 16. Minor of A11 की कितना आ गया 16, A22 का A22 means 6, ये वाली रो वो करनी है और ये वाला कॉलम, तो 5 बच गया 1 3 0 5, तो 5 और A33 के लिए ये, तो क्या बच गया 1 2 5 6, तो 6 minus 10, तो A33 is equal to -4. So if I'll form this, so what it becomes lambda 3. Trace of this matrix is 6 and 5 12 lambda square plus lambda 6 and 5 21 minus 4, so 21, because minor of A11 plus minor of A22 plus minor of A33, this becomes 21 minus 4, it is 17, and last minus यहाँ पे एक determinant था, then found the determinant of this matrix, whatever the determinant, put it here, and this is my equation. We will find determinant of this, 16 into 1 plus 5 into 6 plus 4 into 5, 16 into 1 16 plus 30 minus 20 10 26. So determinant of this matrix is 26. Okay, so this is my polynomial equation. Next step is simple. We have to solve this polynomial equation. First use hit and trial method. If you get one solution, then change this polynomial equation of 3 to quadratic equation, and you all know how to solve quadratic equation. So this is task for you. So this is simple trick to form 3 by 3 matrix. Not all those, not these two tricks. This is all about eigenvalues. There are some properties of eigenvalues. There are some simple properties of eigenvalues. As I mentioned you, my health is not well, so I'm just recovered, so I have to do something urgently from now. So this video ends here. In today's video we'll get an interpretation of eigenvalues and eigenvector. If you understand it, I know examples are very layman, but if you understand them, what I want to do to give you a feeling of eigenvalue and eigenvector, how these phenomena are used in physics, why they are important. So this is all about today's lecture. We just formulate how to find eigenvalues. In next lecture we'll discuss some properties of eigenvalues, and then we get the concept of rank, and finally we found the eigenvector corresponding to each eigenvalue. Okay, here in this example the x is eigenvector. So this is it for now, for today. So if you like this video, then like and give me the feedback, and share this video to the person who are preparing for IIT JAM, or also the person who are studying the matrix. Matrix is also also taught in engineering classes. So whoever want to study matrix, follow this lecture series. This is very important. Thank you for today. And if there is any feedback for me, please comment. Thank you. And one more thing, I have to do one more announcement. There is a in the description box there is a link of a WhatsApp group. So the student who want to join WhatsApp group to get the knowledge about JAM exams and pattern and get some PDF of notes, they can join that group from the link in description. So this is the announcement, and thank you for watching. Be safe, be at your home.